This is the startup checking video of Abdullah Kneader AE221, latest model of 5 kg, being checked on 16th February 2024 for Daraz order. It has a metal blade, a measuring flask, warranty booklet, and then we pack it in its original carton, which has a thermopore at the bottom, thermopore at the top. Then we pack it in this brown sheet and apply the fragile stickers, and then finally in bubble wrap so that it is safely transported. The machine is okay from all the sides. There are no damages. This is the back side. This is from the bottom. You can see there are no damages. Now we will start the machine. The machine has started. As you can see, it has very low noise. This is the best dough kneader in Pakistan. It easily kneads dough within 3 to 5 minutes. It will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. We are Orion Engineering Company, Karachi. Here you can see the machine has automatically stopped, and now we will pack it for the Daraz.